We are live.
Woo.
Hey guys, I'm Raymond Behar still.
I haven't changed my name either. I'm Bradley.
Good. Bradley will be our typist for today, so David can be part along with the group messages because I don't have a keyboard with me. So first we're looking at this. Team discussion. We've got recording. Each member is present. Liv is not with us right now. She's having some issues. And she doesn't have Wi-Fi, so she said she'll talk to you personally. First off, do we have any issues with the first two homeworks? I've been pretty good for that.
Yeah, well, this week we don't have any homework for lesson 1 or 2.
So that makes it easy. It's just pretty much exam review. Anyone have any issues with past homeworks?
Well, so far it's been decent.
Ask David if he has issues with any past homeworks. Okay, cool. Is there like a minimum or a maximum for this video?
I don't know. Sister Hess was saying that it should be close to an hour, depending on how much work and stuff we have. Since this week seems to be a shorter one, I don't think should be that long.
I guess we can solve these things.
Let's start with 1.
Graph by finding and listing all transformations starting from the domain, identify any symmetry, state the name of the function, and identify the intervals for increasing and decreasing.
I guess that's one thing I don't understand is symmetry. Trying to figure out something symmetric. It's been a pain.
Yeah, for the most part, it's easy. It's usually the same answer for all of them, like infinity.
Yeah.
transformations, domains, range, symmetry, name of function, identify the intervals. What's the name of the function? Did we ever figure that out? Did you give us
I
a
think
grade on our last group report?
I didn't hear what you said.
Ah. Wait, let's see if I can do this right. Boom, check it out. Look what I can do. So for the sake of this thing, it can look like we can actually do a problem. So like for this question. Is it showing up?
Huh?
Yeah.
I don't know where Jordan's at. Oh, yeah, he said he would be back around like 3:30.
Is there?
Yeah, it's showing up?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Sorry, I realized.
Okay. How to solve? Question mark. I kind of wrote that for David. David's got this in the bag.
So for this one, when I solved it, I got a different answer than what was on the answer key.
Oh yeah, we'll go to that. What up? Sorry. Is this where I just plug in x, like this equation, into these two?
No. For the second one, yeah. For the minus f of x.
And then where's the f of x for h? What's that?
That's one where we have to do 3 and then parentheses x plus h. And then you do minus 2 parentheses x plus h. And then do plus 1.
So 3 f of h squared, like that?
No. I'll ask Dave real quick, see if he knows how to do it. So I think it would be 3 and then in parentheses x plus h squared.
3 parentheses x plus h squared.
And then minus 2 in parentheses x plus h. And then plus 1. Cool. You wrote it out. You see it?
Yeah. Dude, David's a baller. Okay, so I basically ruled it out correctly. +1 plus 3x squared. What's that second part after +1?
And then you just plug in like you did before. You just plug in the function. So it'd be
Okay.
minus and then whatever the function is.
It's minus? Oh, yeah. Okay. Minus, I'll make it easy, just put that.
Mhm.
All over h. Then we make distributive works, then we can move on, and we read the digits. Okay, that's gonna be fun.
Yeah, so then it becomes
Sure.
x plus h squared is x squared plus 2hx plus h squared.
I wonder what she thinks when she's like looking at these. I wonder if she actually like, she doesn't watch all of these. No way.
Maybe her TA does.
I doubt her TA watches all of them all too. She probably looks at like time content. That's about it. Okay. Oops. So what do I do? Do I do this one first?
Yeah, so I typed it out.
It is
Look,
x squared.
mine's bigger.
Oh my goodness. They had that?
No.
Plus 2h x plus h
It's almost
squared.
2,000 grams of protein.
Wait,
And that-
you put h squared plus 2hx plus h squared. Is that supposed to be an x squared?
What?
You typed out 2h or h squared plus 2hx plus h squared. Is that last one supposed to be x squared?
No, h x. Yes, you're right. Sorry. One of those has to be x. It doesn't matter which one. And so then that's all in parentheses.
Should I distribute the 3?
Yeah, and then you have to distribute the 3 to them.
And then minus 2x minus 2h plus 1. And then we have
All that minus the
Minus-
original function.
3x squared minus 2x.
Do you
Plus-
distribute that negative?
So it should be that like plus negative 3x squared plus 2x.
I think so.
And then I start combining things. Like this one and this one. And that's it. Oh, those cancel. These two cancel also.
I think the ones cancel as well.
And then I'm just left with 3h squared plus 4h over h. So is that fraction? I pretty much leave the fraction like that, or do I fill out?
No, we simplify further. Is it 4h or 6? Well,
This is a. Oh no, this is a 6hx. My bad.
yeah.
So it would be 3h squared plus 6hx minus 2h all over h, and then I would take out the h's, so it would just make 3h plus 6x minus 2 all over h, and then I would cross those out. And then we'd be left with 3h plus 6x minus 2. That would be our answer, right?
I think that looks right. Do you have the answer key up?
Where's the answer?
Could be on the next page in iWing. Or actually, sorry, there was a link. Oh, this is, okay, cool.
3
6x
We got
plus
it.
3h minus 3.
or 3. Where did the 3 come from? Hey, look at this. Boom. 3.
Where did it come from?
For me writing it. Where did that 3 come from? Ask David, where did the 3 come from? Here's David's answer. Hey, Jimmy John's has $1 subs today from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Good to know.
$1 subs. Where did that 3 come from? I have no idea. Can you tell him this red thing is the answer?
I think he knows he's going to try again.
Because we didn't
Oh,
do
yeah.
this way incorrect. We just missed it by 1.
Only have about 20 more minutes and I have to split.
No problem. When you leave, we'll end it. We'll end in like 10 minutes. We'll end it once we figure out what we got wrong, I guess. Isn't that right?
Maybe the TA wrote it out wrong, the answer key. Next, we got that -2 from the H, right?
Yeah.
And that's the only value that has an H with it. And so that there's no way that could be 3.
Yeah, there's no way that can be 3. Like this like this one comes from like right here.
Yeah. I think the answer key is wrong.
Yeah.
All right, should we move on?
Oh, yeah, sure. Inverse. This one's very easy. X. Is that the inverse function?
I think I don't think the 4x is negative. What does it say in the answer key?
Good question.
Okay, so Python again.
Cool. I kind of get it for the most part. It's easier when both of them are positive. So when you make both of them negative. Yeah, I get it.
Okay, cool. Piecewise.
Okay, guys, I think we can end here. This will at least take us an hour.
No, this I've practiced since we kind of bombed it on the quiz, so I think I understand it for the most part.
Did we bomb it on the quiz?
Yeah, we got it wrong.
Is it pass or fail kind of thing?
I think because it wasn't an absolute function, and I thought it was 3 separate line functions.
Oh, that's gay.
Yeah, so that's what we got wrong.
That was dumb. When? I guess for piecewise functions, does it always? I'm guessing it has to always be 3.
No, because this one's got the what was it, parabola, the U. It's got the square.
That's attractive. Domain and range of the piecewise functions.
I got it up right here. That's how I was able to graph it.
Ah, cool. Well, we got it. So we have to find the domain and range of all 3 of them.
I think it's for the whole function.
Is that domain?
Yep, I think so. Because x goes infinity in both directions. So.
I always tend to put the negative in the wrong place.
Oh yeah, it goes in the first one.
So it's a negative on the first one?
Yeah.
And then his range.
I think so.
Is it 4 or 2?
I think it's 4.
Whoop.
Actually, I don't think it's the bracket. I think it's parentheses.
Oh. Yep, that's good. Good. Oh yeah, I'm still waiting on financial aid. I called them this morning. They said it's still processing.
So is that right?
Yep, yeah, I did.
I think so.
Dope.
I think I'm good. Yeah. Cool. Thanks, you too. I just need a protein shake.
Oh, it's $1.
You know, if you might be there.
No. I want to go now because it's.
Yeah. I just know- they're by the pharmacy. Yeah. 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 Yep. Yep.
Go get our guns and shoot things.
I'm fine.
Pledging it.
The first aisle. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, those are pretty good. Cookies and cream, so it's good. No, I haven't tried them.
Just tell us when you have to go, Brad.
I got
This is
like
all-
2 minutes left. We could probably stop broadcasting now. We're kind of goofing off.
Okay.